Welcome to Pruning Trees and Shrubs. Have you ever stood in front of a tree or shrub with pruners in hand and wondered to yourself, what should I cut? Do you have a fear of pruning the wrong branch or making a cut the wrong way? Do you have an ugly overgrown bush and don't know where to start? If any of these sound familiar to you, this course is for you. I've broken this course down into 3 logical sections. The first section will provide you with the basics, including things like selecting the right tools, understanding the difference between trees and shrubs, and how they grow. I'll answer the all-important question, when should you prune? And most importantly, I'll help you get over any fear you might have about pruning. You might be surprised that it's really hard to kill woody plants. One of the main reasons people have problems with pruning is that they don't have a clear plan of attack. To overcome this, the second section will provide you with a simple 3-step plan. By following these steps, you will always know what to cut, and you will have a clear plan from start to finish. This makes pruning so much easier. The third section will provide you with specific examples. I'll show you how I prune in my garden, taking you through my thought processes and reasons for making each cut. These hand-on demonstrations will show you how to rejuvenate an overgrown shrub, prune for more flowers, and produce woodies that enhance your garden design. It's time to have some fun and start learning the art of pruning.